In this video, I am going to teach you how to create and manage goals inside Clickup. Goals help you stay focused and measure your progress easily. Make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign in to your account. Double check that you're in the correct workspace where you want to create your goal. Choose Goals on the left side panel. This section is where you can see, track, and manage all your goals. Scroll down and click Set a Goal. This will open a new window to set up your goal details. Input a goal name that you prefer. Give it a clear and motivating title so you know exactly what you're working towards. Now answer the other questions like owner, access permissions, date range, and add a clear description. Be specific so your team knows what success looks like. Once you're happy with all the settings, just click OK. Your new goal is now created and ready to track. And that's how to create goals in Clickup. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!